Hi.
I'm Arvind, and welcome to Manifest Mind USA. Today, I'm going to share something that can completely transform your financial reality: how to use the power of your subconscious mind to attract wealth. Let's begin with this truth. Your subconscious mind is like fertile soil. Whatever you plant, whether it's fear, doubt, or abundance, it grows. But most people unknowingly plant the seeds of lack. They focus on what they don't have. They say things like, "I'm broke. I can't afford that. I'm always struggling." And guess what? The subconscious takes that as a command, and it brings more of the same into your life. So how do we reverse this? Here are 3 steps to reprogram your subconscious for wealth. 1. Be specific about what wealth means to you. Is it $10,000 a month in passive income? Is it owning your dream home? Your subconscious loves clarity, so say it clearly. I am now attracting $10,000 a month through aligned opportunities. Step 2. Wealth is not just a number, it's a feeling. You must feel wealthy before it shows up. Every day, close your eyes and visualize yourself living your wealthy life. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and freedom as if it's already yours. Your subconscious responds to emotion more than logic. Step 3. Repeat your wealth affirmations daily. Morning and night are the most powerful times. Try saying this: "Wealth flows to me effortlessly. I am worthy of abundance." Say it, write it, feel it, live it. Remember, you don't have to figure out how everything will happen. That's the job of the universe. Your job is to plant the right seed, water it with faith, and take inspired action. The moment your subconscious accepts the belief that you are wealthy, you'll begin to notice the right ideas, people, and opportunities flowing your way. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Arvind, and you're watching Manifest Mind USA. Until next time, stay conscious, stay abundant.